describe the colors of the rainbow to a visually impaired child? Again, how would you describe the colors of the rainbow to a visually impaired child?
Thanks so much for that question. If I were to describe the colors of the rainbow to a visually impaired child, first I would hug the child. I know how hard it is for not being able to see the world, the life that is so much colorful. And I would like to describe that color through different emotions, just like happiness, sadness, anger, because in that way, that child will be able to understand these colors. That just like the rainbow, we all have different kinds of emotions. We all have different types of emotions in life, and that for me, if I were to give that child the kind of explanation, I think that in that way, that child will be able to understand because he also feels the same emotions even though he is visually impaired. And I would like to tell that child that even though you're not able to see the world, how colorful it is, still, you can still feel how colorful life is with the kindness of the people around you, with the love that they give you, with the care that they made you feel. And for me, that is the way, how will I explain to that visually impaired child what a colors of rainbow is. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number.
A question. This question is very personal. It tackles not just one's life, but also case-to-case basis. Well, ladies and gentlemen, how would I describe the colors of rainbow to a visually impaired child? As we all know, rainbow symbolizes a lot of meaning. Per color, per color, and how it's represented to other person. Well, ladies and gentlemen, paano nga ba natin? Once waiting for the question, usually mahirap siya isipin. Kasi paano nga natin i-explain? Paano nga natin isasabihin na this is color yellow, this is red, this is blue? Well, since for your education, for everyone's information, lahat ng kulay may meaning. Lahat ng kulay naglalaman ng iba't ibang gustong kahulugan na ipapahatid natin sa ating tao. Easy for us to show or to say, to describe what is the color by letting them feel kung ano yung color nila. For instance, the color of blue symbolizes peace. Bakit natin ipapakita sa kanila na this color is for peace? Ladies and gentlemen, colors tackles a lot. And it is for us kung paano natin ito i-describe sa taong ganyang kaso. Ladies and gentlemen, regardless of colors, regardless of your case, for as long as we let them feel that they are loved, let them feel that they are included, and that what matters the most. Ladies and gentlemen, ultimately, those colors symbolizes not just their incapacity, but let us be the guide for them to see the light and to feel that color is really matters to them, and that colors really represent who we are, who we are.
Thank you very much for that.
Thank you so much for this wonderful question. We as an educator, as an art student and educator, it's always, and there are always many ways on how to educate the children in terms of identifying these different colors. We have the sense of feeling. I will definitely explain to the visually impaired child that there are many this is the red. It's express the feeling of love. I will hug the child, and this is the color red. I will let those visually impaired to hear an ocean. That ocean symbolizes color blue. And I will let this visually impaired children to feel the air, and that is the color of white, which is purity. Ladies and gentlemen, as an educator, it's always our responsibility to educate these children, no matter what ways, no matter how difficult it is, because we have the responsibility. I have been ardent in terms of educating these people. That's why I always believe in the theory of education about scaffolding and tabula rasa. That tabula rasa signifies that in a very young age of these children, as we teach them, and scaffolding that those who have the ideas, the knowledge, you should educate those people who doesn't know those things. And I will serve as a scaffolding. I will serve as a foundation to create a better community which everyone and no one will be neglected. We should always remember that how you accept us as LGBTQIA+ community, that will also the thing that we will accept the differences that we have, even if you're a PWD. Ladies and gentlemen, to create a better world, to create a better society to live in, we should help each other build a stronger foundation and a stronger community. Tindog na isla para sa mas mauswa komunidad. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Teacher Ray, for the very powerful answer. I-translate in Filipino. Paano mo ilalarawan ang kulay ng bahaghari sa isang bulag na bata? Again, paano mo ilalarawan ang kulay ng bahaghari sa isang bulag na bata? Go.
Okay, in my own opinion, you know what, ladies and gentlemen, the color of rainbow is a symbolizes of hope, pag-asa. Kami mga LGBT community, kami ang pag-asa sa mundong ito. Dahil kung wala kami mga LGBT community sa mundong ito, then definitely ang mundo natin ay hindi magiging masaya. Ika nga sabi ni Choy Barcoma, dapat may bakla at dapat masaya. Paano ko ipapakita ang kulay o ipapadama sa isang bulag na bata? Ang kulay na bagahan. Simple lamang po. Sa simpleng pagyakap at iparamdam ang pagmamahal. Dahil kailanman, ang taong bulag hindi nawawalan ng pag-asa at hindi nawawalan ng pagramdam sa mahigpit na yakap na yun doon mararamdaman na kahit bulag ka, may pag-asa ka. Kahit bulag ka, may karapatan ka. Dahil bilang isang LGBT community, kami ay isa'y nilahi at kinutsa. Just like the story of Noah's Ark, after all disaster, there's always a rainbow that gives hope for everyone. Thank you so much, and good evening.
Thank you so much, Karen.
Thank you so much for that wonderful question. I believe I would describe the colors of rainbow to a visually impaired child. I wouldn't describe it. Ipaparamdam ko sa kanya kung gaano kasaya ang maging parte ng rainbow community. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, kung makakausap ko man ang visually impaired na bata ay ipaparamdam ko sa kanya kung gaano katamis, gaano kalinamnam ang pagmamahal ng isang parte ng LGBTQIA+ community. Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, rainbow is a representation of our identity and pride, so that I will use that pride to influence or to describe that to that young child na sabi ko kanina, maipaparamdam ko sa kanya ang tunay na pagmamahal ng isang miyembro ng LGBTQIA+ community. Thank you
Thank you so much, candidate number 6.